नमस्ते बिटिया एवं सभी सम्माननीय अभिभावकगण। Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar Vangani, Professor and HOD Department of Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I am here to share my experience related to community development activities nearby our residences. जैसा कि हम कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी के जो कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स हैं नियर बाय विलेजेस में जो कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं उसमें हम पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं। इसी प्रकार हमारे घर के आसपास कहीं कम्युनिटी के डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उसके लिए भी हम अपना योगदान देते हैं। तो आप देखिए, एग्जांपल के लिए मैं एक पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। तो ये जो कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, they come under Nation Building Community Development Program of our university, NBCD, it is known in short. The work involved is that the community development activities in nearby areas like health checkup camps, disease control camps, immunity booster programs, cleanliness drives, etc. are taken in rural population or in nearby areas of our residents from time to time with help of our medical knowledge. So what is the benefit to us or the students? By involving in such activity, our medical students have a chance to know various community health problems, their resolution by social service like cleanliness drives, immunity booster programs, health checkup camps, and disease treatment camps, like by taking case taking, treatment, and follow-ups. By this, they learn the art of conduction, communication, and develop confidence thereby. They are exposed to real life problems in this manner in real time, which help them inculcate the art of medicine in them. Here, I'm going to show you how we reach at nearby villages in our university buses to conduct such community development activities. We reached for some immunity booster program in our nearby village, Kapliabas. This photograph is of that occasion. Then another photograph of that occasion, how happy our Bityas are doing such work. And this is my co-teacher, Dr. Shabnam Shah, who is working in Department of Gynecology, who's accompanying me. Here I am showing a community development activity conducted in my nearby area. That is, I am residing in Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur. You can see at the roadside a lot of garbage and debris were there. A lot of garbage, which was a risk for development or for spread of some communicable disease even. It is in the corona times that such garbage is kept in the roadside and in the rainy season. So it's a risky situation. I reached there. I started working over there with my cleanliness drive. The nearby people joined me in the drive, looking me work alone. Ultimately, the work was on progress. The garbage was reduced. Later, we poured some clean soil or fresh soil on that garbage area. And after that, we spread some DDT powder to sanitize that area on which garbage was kept. So now there was no foul smell, and you can see the roadside is very clear now for walking. Here's another cleanliness drive at the outskirts of a village pond. How happy our students are doing that, you can see. Thank you. So this is all we do in our CDA activities. Thanks a lot for your precious time you have given.